So documents, how to apply for SPIMS and the documents needed or the requirements. Number one, syempre kailangan OFW ka. Kung hindi ka man currently OFW, kailangan former OFW ka within 3 years ng pag for good mo. Basta OFW ka. Number two, documents. Syempre kasi ng OFW, mga proof na OFW ka. So kailangan mo ng passport, kailangan mo ng visa page. Itong visa page na ito yung papatunay na ikaw ay nagtrabaho ng legal sa abroad at contracted ka. Ibig sabihin ay employment talaga, yung pinasok mo doon. Hindi ka turista. Hindi ka nag-abroad na turista lang. Hindi yun, tatak lang ng visa stamp lang na nag-tour ka lang sa Southeast Asian countries, kinemerot. Ganon. So, kailangan overseas Filipino worker. Ayan. So, meron siyang tatak na visa page doon sa passport mo. Tapos, syempre, yung validity, yung expiry, and then yung job mo, job description and everything, and the designation mo doon. So, tapos, the contract itself. Kailangan mo yung kontrata mo, employment contract or the certificate of employment. Kaya habang nasa abroad, mag-secure po tayo. You are entitled to have a copy of your contract. Kasi may mga ibang nag-abroad sa ibang bansa, Middle East, especially strict sila dyan. Na they keep renewing, the company keeps renewing your contract, but they don't give you a copy. As an OFW, as a migrant worker, you deserve. You are entitled. It is your right to ask for a copy of your employment contract. Kasi dyan po nakikita ang mga kondisyones, kung ano yung sahod mo, ano ang mga benefits mo, at ano yung mga obligasyones ng iyong company over you. Ayan. At ikaw din.